Hello friends, today we will discuss few more functions related to string in MySQL. So today we will discuss left, right, LTRIM, RTRIM, trim, repeat and reverse functions in MySQL. So let us begin with the very first left function. The left function is going to pick the number of characters from left hand side. Fine. So let us see the demonstration of that. Say I will have select left and then in bracket I am going to write one string Vishal, comma, now I am going to write 3. Fine. Okay, so it is going to take first 3 characters from left. Fine, so it has taken 3 characters from left. Even we can apply the same in various databases too. Fine, suppose I am having a employee, an employee I am having the name of the employee and I want first 3 characters or 4 characters, whatever you wish, you can decide. Left and then in bracket I have to write emp first name and say 4, first 4 characters I want. Fine. So this one has taken first 4 characters, this one has taken first 4 characters from employee's name. Fine. So this way we can use left function. Same way we have right function. So this one is going to take the values from right hand side. Fine. So let us see the demonstration of this. Fine. So this one has taken the values of this one has taken last 4 characters from employee's name. So this way we can use a right function. Fine. Now let us move towards the another one, that is say trim function. Fine. So in that particular trim function, what it is going to do, it is going to remove the left hand side spaces from the string. Fine. So let us see the example of that. Suppose I am having one string, I am going to use LTRIM, and in that LTRIM I am going to write like one string I am going to write is fine. So now let us see what result we get is fine. So it has removed the spaces from left hand side, although it will have the spaces on the right hand side. On the right hand side I am having some space, but that space will be as it is because we have applied left side trimming. Fine. Same way we can have right side trimming. So for that simply we have to use RTRIM. So this one is going to remove the spaces from the right hand side. Fine. So you can see before the name we have the space, but we don't have a space after this particular string. Fine. And in the end we have trim function. That trim function is going to remove the spaces from both sides of a strings. Fine. Okay, so this one has removed this the spaces from both the sides. So these are the 3 functions, that is LTRIM, RTRIM and trim. Fine. Okay, now let us move towards the next function. The next function is repeat function. So this repeat function is going to repeat the string for a specific number of times. Fine. So let us use that. So we'll have select, then we'll have repeat. Have written one string Vishal, and then I want to repeat it this particular for 3 times. Fine. So let's click on the go button. So this one has repeated this particular string for 3 times. Fine. Suppose if I want to repeat it for 1 time only, so this one is going to repeat this particular 1 time. So it depends on the requirement, you can repeat the string. Fine. And the last function that we are going to discuss today is reverse function. Fine. So that reverse function is going to reverse the string. Fine. Suppose the string is Vishal and I want to reverse this. So this one is going to reverse the string. Fine. So this way we have seen left function, right function, LTRIM, RTRIM and trim functions, repeat and reverse functions in this particular session. Thank you very much.